I want to talk about my new favorite cooker, the Slow N Sear Kamado by BEER-N-BBQ company. I've had it for a few months now, used it a lot, and I'm ready to share my experiences of this cooker with you. So if you'd like to hear more, stick around. Hello and welcome back. If you're a new viewer, my name is Larry. I do brewing and cooking videos on recipes, how-tos, product reviews, and some DIY content. If any of those topics interest you, consider subscribing and ring the bell to get notified of future videos. Now let's talk about the Slow N Sear Kamado. As some of you already know, I got this new Kamado back in April. I got it after having watched Justin at Baby Back Maniac do a video interview with David Parrish of BEER-N-BBQ company at a outdoor cooking expo in Dallas. I'll put a link to it in the video description down below or in the iCards up here. After watching that video, I became very excited because I immediately knew that this new Kamado can fix and address several lingering issues I've had with Kamados dating all the way back to 2012. I reached out to David, and after telling him why I was excited about his new product, he agreed to send me one. Full disclosure here, I did not pay for this grill. It was sent to me for free. It was sent to me in hopes of getting it on my YouTube channel in exchange to get in front of you, my viewers, to see his new product, while at the same time benefiting me because I was in the market for a new grill. As you know, I've had issues with my Kamado Joe Big Joe for a couple of years now. And also as a benefit to you, my viewers, to show you what I think is a really cool product. This is not a paid or sponsored video. I have no contract with the company or David, except to give it my honest feedback, get it in front of you folks, and hopefully use it this summer if I like it. I was under obligation to show this to you. In fact, I was free to not show it to you if I chose to. The fact that I'm choosing to do this now shows I have confidence in this product and I like it. Otherwise, I wouldn't do it. After having used this Kamado dozens of times in the past few months, I am convinced that this is going to be my new go-to grill. I've already done some videos on it too. If you look in the links down below, or maybe I'll put an iCard list up here. Now let's get into why I love this grill and what issues it addressed for me. For those of you who don't know what the Slow N Sear Kamado is, it's a 22-inch diameter Kamado grill that was designed around the BEER-N-BBQ company's flagship product, the Slow N Sear basket. And for those of you who don't know what the Slow N Sear basket is, it was designed to retrofit into a 22-inch charcoal Weber grill. Since the Slow N Sear Kamado was designed around accessories that were designed to fit in a 22-inch Weber charcoal grill, many accessories designed for the Weber charcoal grill should fit into the Slow N Sear Kamado. It arrived to my house via FedEx shipping. Now it's free shipping. The cost of shipping is included in the price of this product, which is good because Kamado weighs several hundred pounds. The shipping costs are not cheap. It also came with some assembly tools as well. After it was built, I wanted to see how it stacked up size-wise next to my other Kamados. You can see how it looks next to my 18-inch Burger King keg and my 24-inch Kamado Joe Big Joe. Not too large, not too small, but right in the middle. What impressed me right away was the quality and proven design features in it. Not only is the metal hardware made from stainless steel, the ceramic in it is made from 50% corderite, a more robust material with a low coefficient of thermal expansion in an effort to minimize the potential for cracking. And I mentioned proven design features. This Kamado has no unproven design features, unlike another Kamado in my collection. In particular, it has a proven hinge design that will keep the dome lid open. It also comes with a number of stainless steel accessories, including the Easy Spin cooking grate, the drip and roast pan, roasting rack, and elevated cooking grate. Speaking of accessories, I've been able to use some of my other accessories purchased from my other cookers. My kick-ash basket I bought for my Big Joe fits in there just nice and snug like. I also modified my barbecue guru adapter plate that I bought for my Big Joe to fit in this grill. All I had to do was just trim off an edge and it's good to go. I can actually rotate it 90 degrees and it still fits my Big Joe and it will fit my Slow N Sear Kamado. And with all this being great stuff, what impressed me the most was its versatility. It can be used as a traditional Kamado in an indirect cooking configuration with a heat deflector between the firebox and the main grate for smoking and roasting, and smoke roasting, I guess. But with the included Slow N Sear basket, you have another option available for low and slow cooking. By using the Slow N Sear with the charcoal and wood off to one side, the results you get from low and slow cooking can get even better. Using the water trough and configuring the vents to provide what the Adrenaline Barbecue Company calls turbo slow, you get a cleaner burn of the wood, providing a better quality smoke to the food, while at the same time the additional water vapor that the water trough provides allows better adhesion of the smoke to the surface of the food, giving it a better bark and smoke ring. You may think that a downside to this offset firebox would be uneven cooking. I thought this as well until I tried it. It's not really a concern. In fact, I measured the heat distribution with a FLIR camera and was convinced that the indirect side has a very good heat distribution, so I don't have to rotate the food. There is one downside though. Taking advantage of the turbo slow ability requires more charcoal to be used because the fire burns hotter, so you need to refill the firebox every few hours or more. So you won't be able to walk away for 12 plus hours at a time like I do when I use a traditional indirect kamado setup. The functionality that makes this kamado stand out from the rest of the kamados I've seen and tried is the multi-zone cooking flexibility that it offers. I've counted and used up to 5 different cooking zones on this thing. There's the main grate level searing zone, where you get very high temperature searing very close to the coals for nice crusts on meats like steak. There's the main grate level indirect zone, the raised direct zone, the raised indirect zone, and the below grate level zone. I've taken advantage of all of these zones in the past few months. I have not been disappointed. I've prepared a video collage to show you in just a moment, but before I go, give me that thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, write them down below in the comments section. If you're a new viewer, be sure to subscribe. And for everyone out there, thanks for watching, and here we go.